Hi everyone. Today we're introducing a new feature that was highly requested. It is direct messaging, and it allows you to write directly to other attendees via private chat messages. So let's open the chat section on Veertly. And here you see that you have two tabs now. The first one is the global event chat that you are used to, and the second is the list of conversations. As you can see, we haven't started a conversation yet. So let's go to the attendee list and select someone to write to. To do so, you use the Send Message button from the attendee card. This will open the new conversation and prompt you to write a message, which we will do. Now, this new conversation is listed in your list of conversations. Let's go to the rooms while we wait for an answer. There you go. The notification for direct conversation looks like that. It twinkles a bit, and the number of conversations that have new messages is indicated. It also appears on the tab, and the conversations that have new messages are highlighted by a dot on the right. Now, you can start a conversation with someone wherever you see this round image of a user. For example, you see them when they are on the main stage, when they are in a room, and in networking, as you see here. For an example, let's click on this user in networking and click on Send Message as before. As you can see, it opens our conversation that we already started. So there you go. I hope you enjoy this new feature, and don't forget to leave your feedback for the team, as always.